appearing for the state? Was anybody for this appearing for the state earlier?
No, yes, Mr. Chatterjee used to appear, but on the last occasion, probably he has not appeared.
Oh, that is because
Yes, there is
the results were published.
Oh, to me or junior. His junior is KMC now.
State? Anybody for the state?
State ও ছিল তো।
KMC?
KMC.
You are there.
He is taking care.
There are portions of this water body which falls within the KMC jurisdiction, isn't it?
Yes, yes, that we have already stated. In our previous reports, we have already stated that few of the water bodies are falling within the jurisdiction of the KMC.
Some, the panchayat is here, I can remember. Tell me one thing. Any steps taken for demolition?
Demolition, Your Lordship, I have received instructions. I would just like to highlight a few points, if I'm allowed to. On the last occasion when this matter was taken up, there were two directions which were passed upon the East Kolkata Wetland Management Authority. First was to recover the cost. And this is what we have done. 8-5 order ta de raha. The district magistrate has... Kindly sees this. Since this was under the jurisdiction of Baruipur, he has written to the Baruipur SDO and the recovery process still needs to be initiated. The letter will speak for itself. Kindly sees.
But this is in respect of only one
recovery. No,
only one particular individual, isn't it? Or for the whole?
No, with respect to that recovery which we had demolished, and then after that we recovered.
But there are lots to be done.
Yes, yes. May I come to the second point? Then hearing notice, which was on the other day, which was apprised to Your Lordship that the hearing could not be completed because they had sought for an adjournment. On the next date also, Your Lordship, they have said that they want another date of hearing. That is the 2nd of June. What has happened on the 2nd of June is not before me. And document number 3, which is 14/5/26, Your Lordship. Already. Which has already been placed before Your Lordship.
Please come.
And kindly, Your Lordship, whatever action taken report, we had requested the DM. Again, in a compilation, we are giving it, submitting before Your Lordship that this, we had sought ATRs from the state, but we have not received. We have categorically mentioned from this day we had initiated the process of giving opportunities of hearing to writing letters to the concerned authorities. We have compiled and placed it before Your Lordship. And all kichu ache? Bas na? 1626 ta dekho.
Union of India, somebody was appearing.
My lord, I am appearing, my lord. We have, my lord, intimated. We have intimated, my lord, as per last order of Honorable Court, to inform the, my lord, central government, my lord, through ASG, my lord. But I do not know, my lord, ASG at present, my lord, not holding the office, my lord. I have no
but
information.
Mr. Trivedi has been appointed, I believe.
He will take charge next month, 9th of next month.
I
have been informed by the office of the, my lord, ASG that they have sent the, my lord, information.
Listen to the writ petition. Relates to the East Kolkata Wetlands. Rampant unauthorized constructions have been made thereon by several parties. The court took note of the matter and directed the East Kolkata Wetlands Management Authority along with the Kolkata Municipal Corporation, the concerned panchayats, the district magistrates.
But I have a report from the district magistrate.
To ensure and take all necessary steps to restore the wetlands to its original position. Step. Paragraph. The matter is going on for consideration before this bench for quite some time, but it does not appear that
I have a report.
any positive step have been taken by the authorities in this regard. Step. The steps taken appear to be highly cosmetic and are time consuming. Step. The court was also compelled to, as the court was not as the court was not getting proper assistance from the state authorities in implementing the direction for restoration of the water body to its original state, the court impleaded the central authority also so that the water body may be restored. Stop. There has not been any progress in the matter. Stop. Paragraph. Several reports have been filed by the East Kolkata Wetlands Management Authority as well as the district magistrate. But the actual situation on the ground has not changed. Stop. It does not, not an inch of the water body could be restored. Stop. Paragraph. Under such compelling circumstances, the court requests the presence of the learned government pleader, the learned additional solicitor general of India, India to remain to be present before the court on the adjourned date of hearing. Stop. Paragraph. The Commissioner, Kolkata Municipal Corporation, the District Magistrate, South 24 Parganas, who would be the other, the Chief Technical Officer, EKWMA? Who would be the other senior officers in this matter?
No, EKWMA is CTO. CTO.
To remain,
SEDCL is there.
To remain personally present in court on the next date. Stop. Release the matter for further consideration on 14th July 2026.
We'll appreciate. Your Lordship is calling upon the Commissioner, KMC, be personally present. But possibly there is no fault of her as on date. But there is no order that she has not complied with. I will kindly not be annoyed with her.
এটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিন, দুটো কপি দিয়েছিল।
Lordship will kindly consider this, my lord.
Report of EKWMA and the DM, South 24 Parganas, filed in court today, be written with the records.
My lord will kindly consider this, my lord. The Lordship is directed
There
personally.
is no question of getting annoyed. I just want to invite them to see this magnificent building and to how the court functions. There is no annoyance. All right.
If it can be made virtually.
Let it
Lordship,
remain pending.
may I make a very humble prayer?
No virtual appearances will be allowed.
Are we starting?
লেগে আছে?